Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.
Hi, welcome back. Tanky's Playtime. I promised you an engine build. Let's do this. I haven't. Now you're probably wondering what's happened to the poor old Fordson. Well, it's not that it's been a little bit neglected, I suppose. I've just put it away for a minute. We will be getting back onto that and finish it at some point, but we've just had some other bits. Just I thought I'd just try and tidy up around a bit, and I could get this one gone. I could bring my tractor back in again. So this one here is just here for a little while, just while I get it sorted out for them, for the lovely couple that they are. So we'll get this engine stripped in this episode. 90% of you haven't watched my videos and haven't subscribed. Go on, give me be a devil. Go on, subscribe, please. I beg you. No, I'm joking. Don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe. I'll just go and cry in a corner somewhere. So yeah, I hope you like the other part as well for Mr. Smurf. It is on there, look. And obviously what will happen is mine will go back, his will go back in that spot eventually, and then mine can come back in. And I've got a mower to do, so I've got my own mower for doing, so I shall do a little short video on that as well. But don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll catch you soon. Thank you. So that's what's inside the rocker cover. Oh, and then yeah, this thing was running. No wonder she's bypassing past the valves. I could hear it. She's definitely had a lot of moisture in there. I mean, I might have to sing the Icky Sticky song again. So this is what I wonder what sort of state this engine's actually going to be in. So, I mean, yeah. Everything's not too bad. Yeah, we're definitely, oh my God, I think we're definitely due a engine strip down on this. Yeah, oh dear. Right, let's crack on. So there we are. That is what we're going to do for the teardown. Just a quick little video show what's going on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be doing a measure up and a clean up, and we'll be working out what we're going to spend on this engine. That's better. So the only place you're going to catch this rebuild here is on this channel. So
like and subscribe.
The man can't say any better. And don't forget, press that bell button and we know when our videos are coming in. So I'll catch you soon from me and Smurf.
Like and subscribe. See you
We'll
next
see you
time.
soon. See you next time.
Alarm goes